helping the kings and the queens of the classroom achieve their visions for their life. What do I mean by that? You have a classroom of 25 kids. My world leader modification is not about 25 kids. It's about two kids, the alpha boy and the alpha girl. Okay, some of you are going, well, I think I have a couple of kings, but do you have a couple of kings? Or do you have one king and two princes, aka copycats? And when the king is out, start thinking about your kids and picture them. When your copycat is out, when your king is out, do the copycats now like realize that and try to change behaviors? Or the queen, the one that sits in the back of the classroom that goes, you're not invited to your own birthday party. And they're like, right? But those are also the kids that are quicker, they're faster, they're sharper, they're the alphas. They get bored in class. They're the ones that you can give them all the centers in the world. Doesn't make a difference. You take the world away from them. Doesn't make a difference. Those are the ones that most likely, and I say this, and feel free to let your voice in your head judge me, those are the ones most likely are going to be done, are going to drop out of high school as soon as possible and not even get themselves into the trap of debt in college, and they're just going to go around the 9th or 10th grade and start pursuing their passion in life and become the most successful, magical, like the Bill Gates and the Steve Jobs and the Jim Carreys and blah, 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 blah. Right? Because that's the level that they're going to take. Like, I mean, for example, this is what I think of when I see a child that challenges. I see a child that loves cooking. Is there going to be, of course, marketing? If you have a child that loves the kitchen, isn't that kid's going to sit quietly? Isn't that kid's going to be waiting at the table? No, they're going to be doing their own thing. They need to be doing their own stuff. So what I do is I teach teachers for the alpha boy and the alpha girl, you figure out what their favorite activity to do is, because you can't take anything away. So a child, you ask all your kids, what's your favorite dinosaur? All the kids say what? T-Rex. And then that one boy goes, well, you're talking omnivore, herbivore, carnivore. There's an Allosaurus, there's the two four-legged, the Diplodocus, and the Brontosaurus. The spiked ones are the Ankylosaurus and the Stegosaurus. So obviously, I like dinosaurs. So imagine if my teacher went up to me and said, would you like to, when all your kids are sitting on the rug, would you like to do a dinosaur show in front of everyone? And everyone watches, I would have lost my mind. Then what you do is, you let them do the show that they're passionate about. So if they love building Legos, you let them create Legos and you make it a safe environment. If they love dramatic play, you let them. If they love the microphone, you let them sing.